Hello. This is not the kind of angle that I really wanted, but with this setup it's all I can really get. So, I'm going to set all the things that I need and anything that I could drop and break out of the way on the hood of my car. And I'm going to bend down. I am. And this is not really very warm. It hadn't been running well, so I'm going to pop off the plug wire. It should come off pretty easily, but it's not. Okay. The plug wire is off. And now, as advertised, here is the spark plug wrench. I put the big part over the plug. I take the little part and I put it over the wrench part, the other end of the wrench part. Oh, no I don't. I put the big one. Hello, come on. There we go. Now this should probably not be, oh good, it's not very tight. Okay, so now it's loose. And now I can just with my fingers rapidly turn. It's a deep plug, and I can get it out. And it, I don't know if you can see that, not like that anymore. But yeah, it's very oily. It's very black. Very black. Very black and oily, and wet looking. So, I'm going to take it out and look at the other one. Now the other one, there it is not perfect. But it certainly looks a whole lot better than this one. There it is. So, I'm going to line it up with the hole. And you have to be careful. You certainly don't want to, I mean, it shouldn't go in any way except the way it's supposed to go in. So using my fingers, I am tightening it. And then I put the spark plug wrench over top of it. And I take this and I give it a little hit. And perhaps one more hit. So it's snug. I certainly can't loosen it with my fingers. And then I put the spark plug wire back on. And I set the wrench down. There's the socket. And I set that down. And now I have to get up. Thankfully, there's a motorcycle here for me to lean on. So, oh, that's interesting. The battery is not even plugged in. I did at one point get a new battery for this, but I'm not sure if I installed it or if I didn't. But anyway, now, with a fresh plug, or somewhat fresh plug, maybe I'll give it another kick. Perhaps. See if it makes sense. So I've turned the key on. I will lean it this way. Will I choke it? Yeah, I think I will. Alright, so everything is ready. Oh. Except I didn't get my foot on the kicker. Oh. Well, that was fun. Well, that was fun. Maybe I'll turn the choke off. But I don't think that that is going to help. Well, we're kind of good. Time to choke. That was an old Triumph that just went by. He did not wave. We're good. We're choking. We're kicking. Choking. Or maybe I need to hit it with some gas quicker when it makes that noise. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's the compression stroke, which I guess is a lot of the time. Yeah. Alright. I'm going to unchoke it for a moment. Oh. Well, that was fun. Of course, I'm not sure how much gas is in the line and how much oil is still in there, etc., etc. But you know, neither of these plugs is shining, gleaming new at all. So perhaps I should either shine them up or maybe get a new plug. Try that. Because I'm sure I have not had a new plug in a very long time. But once again, if you have any suggestions, I'm all ears. All ears. Well, some beard, but all ears. To know what's what, or what you think, or what you're observing, or what you're hearing. Anyway, I know there's fresh gas now. At least most of it. I suppose it wouldn't do any harm to put the brake on and shake it up a bit and get it mixing. Also shows me that the brake's working. So I guess right now I will come back to my toys here. Using the toolkit. And I will put the wrench in, and I will put the socket in, putting the spark plug in the socket. Oh, I think I hear a BSA coming, or a Triumph. It is a Triumph. It is. So there are motorcycles out today, and it feels pretty nice. So there. The cover for the toolkit is back on. And there is the opposing side cover. Which, it's funny, ever since I got the bike, one of the little fingery things, right about there, is broken. Or, you know, it's not as it should be, but it holds. So we'll get this in here. I think we'll get this in here. Hello, what's going on here? Alright. This is giving me a little grief. Alright, so we're up and on the front. Okay. So, are we going riding? No, we are not. I will get some pliers. I will get that tipped back over. I will probably get a new plug. I'll clean up the old ones too, but I'll get a new plug. And we'll see where we go from there. So, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Once again, any insights are most welcome. Most welcome. Most welcome. By the way, the 2-stroke oil is under this cover on this side in a little tank, which I suppose I could right now hold this a little bit forward, just a little bit, and pull it off. Oh yeah, there's lots of two-stroke oil. Lots. Why is this not happening? This side cover is a little bit stuck. Okay, there. So there. That's the two-stroke oil. It is. It's green, as it typically is. And it's really full, so I'm not out of two-stroke oil. So, push up, line up, side cover back on. So, I'll turn the switch off, turn the key off, take the keys out, put the ignition switch on off, and I don't know if I'm going to get a plug today, but soon. Very soon I will get a plug. And we will carry on. So thank you for watching, and thank you for any insights you might have. Bye for now.